Here's an example of a geometric sequence, and we want to find a missing term. We're giving you term 4 to be 189, and then term 9 is 45,927. So we're going to be working with these two numbers. So step 1 is to go ahead and set up a sequence. What does this look like? So term 4 is where we're going to start. I have 3 terms before that I have no idea what those values are. And then I have some question marks going on again in here. Term 5, 6, 7, and 8 are unknown. And then I was given this value of term 9 to be 45,927. And we want to find out what term 6 is. So we need to find that common ratio. So let's work with the two numbers we know, term 4 and term 9. So I'm going to jump one common ratio to get me to term 5. I'm going to jump one more common ratio, multiplying by r again, to get me to term 6. Do it again, I'm at term 7. Multiply by r again, I'm at term 8. Multiply one more time, I'm at term 9. So to go from term 4 to term 9, I need to multiply it by 5 r's. So it'll be r to the 5th power. So step 2 is to find the common ratio using the explicit formula. So to get to term 4 is where we're starting, and I want to finish at term 9, my common ratio is unknown, and I have 5 of those that I have to jump to. 5 common ratios. Now let's substitute in the values we know. So we come back up here. Term 9 was 45,927. Term 4 was 189. And then r to the 5th power. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and solve this blue equation for r to find the common ratio. So step 1 is to divide both sides by 189. So 45,927 divided by 189. And we get 243. Now what we need to do is undo that 5th power, so we have to 5th root both sides. So r equals the 5th root of 243. So in your calculator you go 5, math, down to number 5, and then put in 243. And you get r to be 3. This is the common ratio. Now we can go ahead and use that common ratio to find other terms in the sequence. All right, so let's answer the question now. I'm just going to erase these common r's. It asks us to find the 6th term. So I'm going to start with term 4, and I'm going to multiply it by 3. So 189 times 3 is 567. Now I'm going to take 567 and multiply it to 3. And I get 1701. Here is my answer for the 6th term, 1701.